In this video, I have the JJRC Q85, so let's open the box and see what we get. First, we get an easy-to-read instruction manual, a Phillips head screwdriver so you can open up the controller for the 2 AA batteries. You can also use it to open the tank up, where you'll find a 3.7 volt 500 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. And look how big that compartment is. You should be able to put a little bit bigger of a battery inside there. And you get a USB charger. Oh yeah, and you get a tank too. Okay, let's do a little tabletop test here. And I want to go over the functions of the controller. So let's turn the controller on, and then the power switch is right there. Oh, okay. So you can hear the audio. Sounds like it's just idling. I wonder if you hit the throttle, if it sounds like it's accelerating. No. So it just sounds like it's idling the whole time. So this is how you do the forward and the reverse. It's not proportional. And then I imagine, yeah, see how far I can go with the turning. So let's see if it'll spin in place. Oh yeah, it'll spin in place. So here is the speaker button. So if you press that, it turns it off. So let's check out up top here. So this is for the machine gun, and then this is for the missile. Let's see if having the audio off, if you'll be able to hear it. I doubt it. Nope. Oh, there's the recoil. Comes with a little recoil feature when you... So we have to turn the sound back on. Let's test the machine gun out. Okay. And then the missile. There. So you saw the recoil there. Let's try that again. There is no control for the turret, like to go up or down. You manually have to just put it where you want it. But you can turn the turret, and this turns it. That turns it to the left, and then this one turns it to the right. And it doesn't go the whole way around, like 360 degrees. See, that's as far as it goes. So I think it said like 270 degrees. Let's see how far till it stops. Yep, so right there. So this button here is auto demonstration. So let's see what happens. Whoa, whoa. Let's turn that off. Hey, whoa. Okay. So with auto demonstration, my table is a little too small. It like wanted to go all the way off the table. Let's... Oh, turns around, backs up. Okay, it stayed on the table. It turns the turret. It fires the machine gun. Whoa. Fires the missile. Okay. Now let's get out of that. So to cancel that, you just hit any control, like turning or the forward or backwards. This button here is a programming. So what you do is you press that button in. So now whatever you press, so let's do forward and then reverse. Let's fire the machine gun. We'll do a left turn of the turret. Then let's do a right turn of the turret. And then we'll do forward. And now when we press this button again, everything I did, there's forward, there's backwards, there's the machine gun, there's the right turret, and now that's it. So yeah, you can press whatever sequence you want the tank to do, and then it programs it into the controller. And then when you hit that program button to end your programming, it'll do everything that you just told it to do. So that's pretty neat. But that is it for all the functions on the controller. But I saw on the box right here, it says 45-degree incline climbing. Well, I know something that's 50 degrees, so let's go try it out. I know some of you already knew where I was going with this when I said about the 45 degrees. Now this is 50 degrees, but it's also about 100 feet tall. I really don't think that this is gonna climb. It might not have the power to do it. I don't think I'm gonna get enough grip with the tracks. Even though they are a softer rubber, the center of gravity seems like it would be low enough, but if it doesn't climb it, it's because of one of those two reasons, if not both. Okay, here we go. Oh, no. Actually, the center of gravity is a little too high and it just wants to roll back. So, nope, definitely can't do 50 degrees. So it actually ended up being the one that I didn't think it was gonna be. The tracks had plenty of grip, the motor had plenty of power, but it ended up being the LCG. So now we're gonna take it up here on the trail. There's a little bit of rocks, a little bit of dirt. We'll see how good this does. Okay, we're gonna set up right here. Look at all these rocks here. And there's some inclines too. So maybe we can test out and what it's capable of doing. Let's turn that volume off. It's cool sometimes, but it gets kind of annoying. Going right over the stuff here. I was a little worried that maybe in between the tracks, it might get hung up. Oh, I'm hung up there. I just can't get, there we go. Maybe I'll get over it now. Now this one, actually I don't know if I want to do this because it might come right down on the turret. Yeah, it's gonna come right down on the turret. I don't want to break the turret off. So this tank is not liking this incline right here. So I'm just curious as to what it is, how much of an incline. Because this is saying it can climb 45 degrees and this is 39 degrees and it doesn't want to do it. So you got to see it a little bit on the rocks. So it was starting to get tired. It's only 500 milliamp hour battery. After about 10 minutes of driving around, it starts to show a little bit of weakness, but you get the idea. It's okay on the rock. I think this little tank would probably work the best just indoors on a hard floor, even on the carpet. I think it would do all right. Not really made for outdoors, you know, climbing over rocks. It's just too small. So I'm gonna quick do the 45 degree test once I get back, charge the battery back up. So let's do that now. We have the battery fully charged now. So right there you can see we're at 45 degrees. Now I'll give this the benefit of the doubt because that rock wasn't even. Nope, we're getting hung up in the back here. Oh, it wants to climb it.
I think if this board had carpet, it would have better grip, but it doesn't want to roll over on its back. So I think it could do 45 degrees.
Let's try 43. Let's try 40. There we go, 40 degrees. So that's all I have now for this JJRC Q85. I'm gonna put this in for the April giveaway. So to enter the April giveaway, all you do is comment down below. You can comment on this video, you can comment on any video that says April giveaway, and that is your entry. You just have to be a subscriber from the US. You only get one entry per video, but if you want multiple entries in the April giveaway, then go ahead and comment on the other videos. So the more videos you comment on, the more entries you get, but you're still only limited to one entry per video. And then on May 1st, I'm gonna do a live drawing where I randomly pick the winner of the April giveaway. And how my giveaway works is the winner gets choice of any RC that was featured for the month of April. So go check those other videos out, get entries in before time runs out. So good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see who wins the next Ready to Run RC.